Hi, hello, namaste. Today in this class, we are going to learn about chemical reactions of carboxylic acids. Chemical reactions of carboxylic acids. In that, reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. In that, reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. OH bond. The first reaction is reaction with reaction with metal reaction with metal and alkali. Okay, clear? Okay, for example, when ethanoic acid or acetic acid is on reaction with the sodium metal is on reaction with the sodium metal, the bond will be break, the oxygen carries negative charge, the hydrogen atom will carry positive charge. Okay, which gives sodium acetate, which gives sodium acetate, sodium acetate plus hydrogen gas, plus hydrogen gas. Clear here? It contains two molecules of acetic acid is react with two molecules of sodium metal. It gives sodium acetate, gives two molecules of sodium acetate and hydrogen gas. Clear? Okay. And the next reaction is reaction with alkali. When acetic acid, when acetic acid is on reaction with the alkali, that is base, for example, sodium hydroxide. Here, the bond will be break. The oxygen atom carries negative charge and the hydrogen atom will carry positive charge. Here, the bond will be break, positive charge and negative charge. Sodium metal will carry positive charge, OH will carry negative charge. Okay, then there will be a formation of sodium acetate. The formation of sodium acetate. Okay, and see here carbon. Okay, and then here H plus and here OH minus. For that we get H2O is water. Clear? When acetic acid is on reaction with alkali, that is sodium hydroxide. Okay, it gives sodium acetate and water. Clear? And the next reaction is reaction with the sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. When carboxylic acids are react with the sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate to the formation of sodium salts of carboxylic acid. For example, when two molecules of acetic acid, when two molecules of acetic acid, okay, is on reaction with the sodium carbonate, is on reaction with the sodium carbonate to the formation of to the formation of sodium to the formation of sodium acetate, to the formation of sodium acetate. Okay, and then water molecule and then carbon dioxide. Clear? See here, here the bond between oxygen atom and the hydrogen atom will break. The oxygen atom will carry negative charge, the hydrogen atom will carry positive charge. When two molecules of acetic acid is react with sodium carbonate to the formation of sodium acetate and water and carbon dioxide. Clear? And next example is when acetic acid when acetic acid, okay, is on reaction with acetic acid is on reaction with sodium bicarbonate. Okay, this is sodium bicarbonate. Okay, here the bond between oxygen atom and the hydrogen atom will be break. The oxygen atom will carry its negative charge, hydrogen atom will carry positive charge to the formation of sodium acetate. To the formation of sodium acetate, to the formation of sodium acetate and water plus carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gas is released. Clear? This is the reaction with the reaction with the sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. Clear? Okay. And the next reaction is decarboxylation reaction. Decarboxylation reaction. In that, when sodium salts of acetic acid, when sodium salt of acetic acid, for example, sodium acetate, for example, sodium acetate, sodium acetate, okay, when sodium acetate is on eating with the soda lime, is on eating with the soda lime. Okay, what is mean by soda lime? It is a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. It is a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide, which is known as soda lime. Okay, the formation of, see here, there will be breakdown between oxygen and Na plus. Okay, to the formation of what? To the formation of methane. To the formation of methane and sodium carbonate. To the formation of methane and sodium carbonate. Okay, when sodium acetate is on reaction with soda lime, okay, to the formation of methane and sodium carbonate. Okay, and the next reaction is Kolb's reaction. Reaction is Next reaction is Kolb's reaction. Okay, when two molecules of sodium acetate, in two molecules of sodium acetate, sodium acetate, okay, is on reaction with H2O, means which undergoes hydrolysis, which undergoes hydrolysis. Here there will be the bond break between CH3 and carbon bond, and there will be bond break between oxygen and Na plus. Here which carry oxygen atom will carry negative charge, sodium atom will carry positive. Now there will be the formation of ethane, formation of ethane, okay, and plus, see here we have two molecules of carbon dioxide, two molecules of carbon dioxide, and the next one we have sodium hydroxide. How? If you take this water, okay, it will be H plus and OH minus. So sodium hydroxide, that is, we have two molecules of sodium hydroxide and plus we have sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Sorry, and then hydrogen. Clear? When sodium acetate is on undergoes hydrolysis to the formation of ethane, carbon dioxide and sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. This reaction is known as Kolb's reaction. This reaction is known as Kolb's reaction. Clear? Okay. And the next reaction is Hunsdieker reaction. Hunsdieker reaction. When silver salt of acetic acid is on reaction with the halogen is a reaction with the halogen to the formation of alkyl halide and silver halide. Okay, for example, silver acetate. For example, silver acetate, silver acetate, okay, is on reaction with the bromine. Is on reaction with the bromine. There will be a bond break between CH3 and C. Okay, and here also there will be a bond break which carries a negative charge and here positive charge. Okay, now what will happen? There is formation of water. Methyl bromide. First one is methyl bromide. To the formation of methyl bromide. Okay, and silver bromide and silver bromide plus carbon dioxide. Okay. So here, when silver acetate is on reaction with bromine, it's on reaction with the bromine to the formation of methyl bromide, silver bromide, silver bromide, okay, and carbon dioxide. This reaction is known as Hunsdieker reaction. This reaction is known as Hunsdieker reaction. Okay, and the next reaction is reaction with okay, reaction with calcium hydroxide. Reaction with calcium hydroxide. For example, when acetic acid, okay, when two molecules of acetic acid is on reaction with calcium hydroxide is on reaction with calcium hydroxide. The bond between oxygen atom and hydrogen atom will break. Oxygen atom will carry negative charge. Hydrogen atom will carry positive charge. To the formation of to the formation of calcium acetate. Okay. To the formation of calcium acetate. Okay, to the formation of calcium acetate, and there will be a removal of water molecule. There will be a removal of water molecule, which this undergoes dry distillation, which undergoes dry distillation. Okay, dry distillation to the formation of acetone, to the formation of acetone and calcium carbonate, to the formation of acetone and calcium carbonate. See here, the bond between carbon and methyl group will be break, and the bond between carbon and oxygen atom will be break. Now there will be calcium carbonate and acetone will be formed. Calcium carbonate and acetone will be formed. This reaction is known as reaction with calcium hydroxide. Okay, when two molecules of acetic acid is reaction with calcium hydroxide, there will be a removal of water molecule to the formation of calcium acetate. This calcium acetate, which undergoes dry distillation to the formation of acetone and calcium carbonate. Okay, these are the some chemical reactions of calcium, sorry, so of carboxylic acid. Clear? Okay, thank you.